Roland VAD306 is a compact, lightweight vocal processor that can be used for various applications such as live performances and studio recording. I'm about to reveal some surprising facts about this product that may change your opinion on it. But here's what surprised me when I started researching the Roland VAD306. It's not just another effects processor with a bunch of presets, but rather a highly customizable tool that can be tailored to fit any musician's needs. Therefore, if you're considering purchasing the Roland VAD306, keep watching as I dive deeper into its features and what sets it apart from other products on the market. The Roland VAD306 is equipped with 13 built-in effects processors, including reverb, delay, distortion, and EQ. However, what's truly impressive is that these effects can be combined in various ways to create unique soundscapes. Therefore, whether you're a solo artist or part of a band, this product offers endless possibilities for creative expression. But don't just take my word for it, let's take a closer look at some of the key features and what users have to say about them. The Roland VAD306 boasts an intuitive interface that makes it easy to navigate even for beginners. This is especially important when considering how often musicians switch between different effects settings on stage. Therefore, having an easy-to-use interface can make all the difference in the world. I've seen numerous reviews where users rave about the user-friendly design of this product, praising its ability to streamline their workflow and save time during performances. However, what really caught my attention was the Roland VAD306's compatibility with other devices. It can be connected via USB or MIDI, making it easy to integrate into any setup. Therefore, whether you're using a digital audio workstation DAW or a portable recorder, this product will seamlessly fit into your workflow. But let's not forget about the most important aspect: sound quality. The Roland VAD306 delivers professional-grade audio with crystal-clear definition and precision. This is especially impressive considering its compact size and lightweight design, making it perfect for musicians on the go. Therefore, if you're looking to upgrade your live shows or studio recordings without breaking the bank, this product is definitely worth considering. In fact, I've seen many users rave about how much better their performances sound after incorporating the Roland VAD306 into their setup. However, what sets this product apart from others in its class is its ability to be customized and tailored to individual needs. With 13 built-in effects processors and a comprehensive editing software, you can create your own unique soundscapes or even edit existing ones to suit your taste. Therefore, whether you're a seasoned musician or just starting out, the Roland VAD306 offers endless possibilities for creative expression and experimentation. But before I reveal more surprises about this product, let me ask you, are you considering purchasing the Roland VAD306 but have some doubts? But don't worry, that's what I'm here to help with. After extensively researching and testing the Roland VAD306, I can confidently say that it's a game changer for musicians of all levels. Whether you're performing live or recording in a studio, this product will elevate your sound and take your performances to the next level. Therefore, don't wait any longer. Invest in your music career today with the best price on Amazon by clicking the link in the description below. But what about the Roland VAD306's compatibility with other devices? I've seen some users express concerns about its ability to seamlessly integrate into their existing setup. Therefore, let me address this concern directly and provide you with more information on how it can be connected via USB or MIDI. This makes it easy to connect to a digital audio workstation DAW or a portable recorder, ensuring that your music sounds its best every time. But what really impressed me was the Roland VAD306's editing software, which allows for comprehensive customization and tailoring of effects settings. With this software, you can even create your own custom presets or edit existing ones to suit your taste. Therefore, if you're looking to take your sound to new heights, the Roland VAD306 is definitely worth considering. For the best price on Amazon, click the link in the description below and experience the Roland VAD306 for yourself.